We're gonna see what it's like in the south.
Camping at a state park in Tennessee. Never been camping anywhere really but the Adirondacks, and I am very pleasantly surprised so far. I didn't even think it would look like camping, but it does. There's trees and there's a lake like down there. So
It's still the Appalachian Mountains, but the weather is much more amicable.
it's hot. I'm hoping it's not this hot when we're trying to sleep tonight. But I've never we've always camped in the Adirondacks and you have to prepare for cold, and that's not the same here. So it's weird.
Yeah, maybe we should have packed, instead of packing fleece, we should have packed like a portable air conditioner.
What you got there?
Rocking chair.
Show me how it rocks. Nice.
I want my own kid's house.
You want your own kid-size rocker?
I want a blue.
Blue one?
Just like that truck.
Look at that truck.
What's this?
That's just so you can hold the magnifying glass.
You see a little fish here? Oh, see that. It's body.
We'll go look at that next.
There's a birdie in here. Look around. Mommy, you see a fake turtle?
That's a real turtle, honey.
What is it?
That's a real turtle.
I just think it's ball.
Look, he moves slowly.
Real.
Real slowly. Okay, it won't pop in right here. I just had this up yesterday, so hopefully it will cooperate. You want to go in there? It was just backwards. Luke figured it out. You saved camping.
Here. Good job.
You got me. Guys, I think we should go down to the water very soon.
What?
What?
I need to eat some snacks first.
Yeah, let's have some snacks and then let's go. So, little update here, like 2 seconds later.
What are we gonna sleep on?
I forgot all of the bedding. No, I had it setting in a chair and we just didn't grab that pile of stuff. So, hopefully there's Walmart. Now we have to leave again and spend some money, and hopefully they have like sleeping bags or something. This is what happens when one person alone is in charge of everything. I don't even have service to see if there's a Walmart. So $120 later, we have some pillows and blankets. A little bit of an expensive mistake. It wasn't as simple as just getting a blanket, and the only place to go really was Dollar General. The pad for the tent is on stones, so it's not like you can just like lay down a blanket and lay down. We had to get something to soften the blow of the stones first, but we're on our way back and we are going to put all that in a tent and go swimming and have a nice meal tonight, have a fire, all the fun stuff, right? Right?
Yeah.
We're gonna go swimming, go check out the water and see what it's like.
Happy camping.
Happy camping.
Happy camping.
Hi, Libby.
I was a kid about, so I got one. Hey, this is a fish?
There's fish all over. You can feel them on my feet.
This is fish?
Is that a fish? Do you guys want to go make hot dogs?
No.
What?
I want 1 more minute.
It's always 1 more minute.
Why, Daddy?
I'll sit down in just a second.
Why, Daddy?
That's how we do it.
Can you help Daddy?
Of course you can.
Let me mop it.
He made a fire. Good job.
I get them down on the deck. That's beside it. I see nothing. Dad, what's a hot dog? No, can you not hold it? Roast a hot dog.
How do you roast a hot dog?
Yeah.
You just put it over the fire like you're doing.
Hot dog.
Yep, I'm cooking one for you.
And I'm cooking one for myself.
Nice.
Can you hear the airplane roaring sound?
I can not Mommy.
Here you go.
What do you think, Liv?
tasty. I want to eat.
You can have the chocolate.
Can I eat it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we just chocolate? Chocolate?
Yes. You want chocolate too?
There's one. What? There's one for mommy.
Thanks, honey.
Now, how I eat chocolate?
Look at all the firewood we got.
Good job.
I got
Welcome.
Time to go in here for bed, guys. You chasing fireflies? They're all over.
I got some. Can you hold this for me?
Sure.
Can you hold this for me?
Thank you.
But did we bring the flashlights?
Yep.
But I like blue best. So you will 6. I fire them up. What's those? Dad! Dad!
Yeah.
What are you doing? I want to.
Yeah. Hot.
It's 5 a.m. and nobody's tired anymore. So.
Mommy, which one is mine?
That one right there next to Daddy. Steak, eggs, and turkey bacon. That's
I
exciting.
want the. What's this? I want one
It's,
man.
Turkey bacon.
I want what's this? Ramen?
Maybe when I get home, I didn't bring any.
Turkey bacon. Some more. Can you have some food? I want to eat finger food.
You can eat it with your fingers. That's fine.
Oh, food. Mommy, will you throw in the water?
And throw stones in. Nice. Nice throws, Liv.
Yeah, I need my bucket.
I'll make a cat.
Make the best castle.
My own castle mix. Can you help me make my own castle mix?
Uh-huh. Take your bucket. Fill it up.
Yo, puppy, Livy?
No.
Digging like a puppy.
Make a vortex hole right here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, let's watch the water clear away.
Show us how deep it is.
Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye for now. Why is it in the
Aww.
water?
Again? You're a big splash. We're back from our camping trip. It was just a quick one night. As you can tell from Luke, we didn't get much sleep last night at all. I forgot the blankets, so we had to go get blankets. I spent $100 on more blankets, and the tent pad was on gravel, on rocks. Not even gravel, it was big pointy rocks. So I mean, it wasn't very comfortable. And our children, we decided it's just one night. We'll stay in this little tent, 4-person tent. They climbed on us all night. It was pretty hot, so we slept without the top on the tent, which was nice. I just pretty much watched the stars all night, and then I was very tired on the drive home. It was fun though, I had fun. I'm just tired, I'm gonna sleep good tonight. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Comment on this video.
Peace out.
Cool.